Hey everyone, welcome to another Delft Stack tutorial. Today we'll explore how to convert an Excel file into Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to collaborate in real time or access your spreadsheets online, this is the perfect solution. First, head over to Google Drive. Click on the New button in the top left corner. Then select File Upload and choose the Excel file you want to convert. Once uploaded, right-click on the file, hover over Open with, and select Google Sheets. You can also just click the file. This will open your file directly in Google Sheets. And that's it. Your Excel file is now in Google Sheets, ready to be edited and shared. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.